Hi, today we will be learning about data table in MS Excel. So what is it? A data table is one of the what-if analysis tools that allows you to try out different input values for formulas and see how changes in these values affect the formula's output. Data tables are especially useful when a formula depends on several values so that we can experiment with different combinations of inputs and compare the results. Let's see how data table works. For that, first open MS Excel and type in a data set. So here I have typed in a data set for simple interest calculation. So how do we get simple interest? It is principal amount into time into rate the whole divided by 100. So here our answer is 7,500. That is 25,000 into 5 into 6 divided by 100. So in Excel when you do it, you will have to click in the result cell, that is H18, and over there you have to type in the formula H15 into H16 into H17 the whole divided by 100. So now let's see how we can make a data table. For that, first click on a cell and then type in H18. H18 because that is the value of our result cell. So now we are going to see how to make a one variable data table. So a one variable data table is nothing but a table which only has one component or one variable of the formula used. So over here we are considering principal amount. So I have typed in principal amount varying from 5,000 to 40,000. So now let's see how for different principal amounts we can get different simple interest, and this is going to be done by using data table, which is going to help us to make this calculation easy and to produce the results. So click on the table, go to data, go to what if analysis, go to data table, and you need not enter anything in the row input cell because over here we only have one variable and we don't have anything as the row input. And over here we are going to type in H15 because H15 is where the original principal amount is. So press OK, and then there we will have all the results for the simple interest with respect to different principal amounts. Now let's see how to make two variable data table. Two variable data table is very simple to one variable data table. The only difference is that over here we are going to consider two components of a formula. So here we will be considering principal amount as well as the time, that is the years. So here we will be getting the results for how different principal amounts and different time periods affect the simple interest. So in the similar manner, select the table, go to data, go to what if analysis, go to data table, and once the pop-up appears, in row input cells you will be typing H16 because that is where the original time period amount is, and then H15 for column input cells, that is where the original principal amount is. Press OK, and there it just works like magic, and then all the result is produced. So for example here if you see, if the principal amount is 35,000 and the time period is say 4 years, the simple interest that will be charged will be 8,400. So here I have just used a very simple formula, but even very complex formulas can be used and the results can be produced within fraction of seconds and within just some clicks. So this is how easy it is to work in Excel. And this saves a lot of time, energy, and it's very simple and anybody can do it. So hope you found this video helpful and hope you liked it. Thank you.